Can the Honest Company stock double or even surge to $9? With shares trading around $3.85, some investors believe this consumer products company could be a hidden growth opportunity. But is a move to $9 realistic, or is Wall Street expecting something much lower? In this video, we'll break down the fundamentals, technical analysis, analyst price targets, and what must happen for HNST to become a multi-bagger. Let's get started. The Honest Company, trading under the ticker HNST, is a consumer goods company founded by actress Jessica Alba. The company sells baby products, beauty items, personal care products, and household essentials with a focus on clean ingredients and sustainable branding. Its products are sold through major retailers like Target, Walmart, Amazon, and directly through its own website. The company has built a recognizable brand, but investors are asking one important question. Can the business generate enough profit to justify a much higher stock price? Let's look at the numbers. HNST currently has a market capitalization of approximately $424 million. Annual revenue stands at around $371 million, showing that the company has built a meaningful business. However, profitability remains the biggest challenge. The company still reports a negative earnings per share of approximately 17 cents and a net loss of about $15.7 million. While losses have narrowed compared to previous years, investors are still waiting for consistent profitability. This is the biggest reason why Wall Street remains cautious despite improving business trends. Now let's discuss analyst expectations. According to current analyst estimates, average price target $4.07, highest target $5, lowest target $3.40. Wall Street expects only modest upside over the next 12 months. Notice something important. None of the major analysts currently have a $9 price target. That doesn't necessarily mean $9 is impossible. It simply means analysts believe the company still has significant work to do before reaching that valuation. Looking at the chart, HNST has been recovering nicely from its recent lows. The stock has established higher lows and is attempting to build a new uptrend. Immediate resistance appears around $4.20 to $4.40. If buyers push through that level with strong volume, next major resistance comes near $5. Breaking above $5 would be an important bullish signal and could attract additional institutional buying. On the downside, support is located around $3.20, followed by stronger support near $2.80. As long as the stock remains above those support zones, the longer-term recovery remains intact. Now let's answer the big question. Can HNST reach $9? The answer is yes, but probably not in the near term. To reach $9, the stock would need to gain more than 130% from current levels. For that to happen, several things must occur. The company must become consistently profitable, revenue growth needs to accelerate, gross margins need to continue improving. Investors must assign a higher valuation multiple to the business. If these milestones are achieved over the next few years, then a move towards $7, $8, or even $9 becomes much more realistic. Investors should also consider the risks. Competition in consumer products remains intense. Large brands continue to fight for market share. Consumer spending could slow if economic conditions weaken. And because the company is still not consistently profitable, disappointing earnings could lead to increased volatility. These are important risks every investor should keep in mind before investing. Overall, the Honest Company is showing encouraging signs of improvement. Revenue remains solid. The balance sheet has improved. The stock has begun recovering technically. However, profitability remains the key catalyst that could determine whether HNST becomes a true long-term winner. Short-term target, $4.50 to $5. Medium-term target, $6 to $7. Long-term bullish scenario, $9, only if the company delivers sustained earnings growth and stronger financial performance. If you're investing in HNST, keep a close eye on upcoming earnings reports. They could determine the stock's next major move. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more U.S. stock market analysis, price predictions, and long-term investing opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.